महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताज्या घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Apla Webwani. This is Preeti Sabre. Let's have a look towards today's top news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached the state of Gujarat, which has been hit by cyclone Tokte today. He flew to the affected areas to assess the damage caused by the cyclone. He then held a meeting in Ahmedabad on the backdrop of cyclone Tokte. After the meeting, the Prime Minister announced that Rs 2 lakh would be provided to the families of those who lost their lives in the cyclone. The injured will be given Rs 50,000. After Mumbai Municipal Corporation, now the state government has also issued a global tender for the purchase of 5 crore corona vaccines. The tender has been issued for vaccines available in the international market approved by the World Health Organization and the US FDA. A period of 8 days has been given for this. Cyclone Tokte has hit ships stranded at sea. The Indian Navy is still working to rescue those stranded at sea. 34 people were reported dead on the barge P-305. The death toll is feared to rise. Naval Operation 707 is currently underway for the standard barge P-305 in Mumbai. Opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis has demanded immediate relief to those affected by the cyclone. He is on a tour of Alibag and is inspecting the damaged area. Remdesivir is likely to be excluded from the corona treatment. The president of Gangaram Hospital, Dr. D.S. Rana, has indicated so, where the use of remdesivir has not been shown to improve patients, Dr. Rana said. Let's take a short break. Welcome back after the break. An important cabinet meeting is underway against the backdrop of Cyclone Tokte. The meeting will discuss how to review the damage and help. The meeting is also expected to discuss the current status of the corona and the corona vaccination campaign. YouTube, the world's largest video streaming platform, took off after an hour-long standoff. Users complained that they could not watch the video. YouTube later tweeted that the service had stopped. According to the website Down Detector, 90% of people complained that the video was not playing. At the same time, some people had trouble logging in. A decision was taken in the cabinet meeting held today to increase the permanent travel allowance of Gram Sevaks and village development officers in Jilla Parishad to Rs 1,500. The meeting was chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. The Gram Panchayat is responsible for providing basic necessities at the Gram Panchayat level, and the Gram Sevaks and village development officers have an important role to play in this. It has been decided to increase the traveler allowance as they have to travel continuously for various administrative work. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has introduced WhatsApp to withdraw its new privacy policy. WhatsApp's new privacy policy is undermining privacy and data security. At the same time, the IT minister has said that this is a blow to the rights of Indian citizens, government sources said. So by this, today's news have over. Have a good day.